Do you have sweaty palms and feet like I do? If so, then stop scrolling. I've got a solution for you. I've got to be honest with y'all, I've got a condition called hyperhidrosis. It's where my feet and palms sweat excessively. And this condition interrupts my daily activities. Like, are you seeing this? I'm just talking to you guys and I'm sweating already. I've been having this condition since birth and I've been on a hunt for solutions, but none of them actually worked. But guys, to my rescue, I finally found a brand called Dermadry and they make anti-sweat machines, which is FDA approved. So I placed an order for this machine and it's here. So let me quickly unbox this and show you guys what's inside. Wow. Oh my god, I love how it looks already. So this is the machine. It comes with a charger. I'm pretty sure this one's for the underarms. I don't really have sweaty underarms, so I'm just going to be using the machine for my palms and my feet. So this is what I'm going to be using for my palms and feet. It's basically, I just plug it in these little things here, and I need to place my palm or feet on this for 20 minutes if I'm not wrong, and I should be seeing the results within 3 weeks. That's what the brand says. So yeah, that's it about the machine. If you're someone like me who has hyperhidrosis, then you should definitely check them out.